living things and non-living things. Living things kita menhun kethang mani rok menhun. Non-living things kita menhun kethui mani rok no. Seng tabu oro pore lainai bahike seng kaisa manai no kethang eba kethui nei sai manai. Poriman bising tui seng sai manai. Kaisa ke poriwi thangnai do haike no seng bujiwi thangnai. Oro tamin chaka all animals joto mal mata rok no plants te buphang waphang rok and humans te boro rok are living things. Amrok kha kethang manai. Living things are different. Different mane tamo pherlayo. Kathang mani rok pherlayo ni chau. Sabo be pherlai from non-living things. Non-living things by pherlayo in many ways. Kabang ba lama tuino pherlayo. Bai ke pherlai ek number. Living things need food and water. Kathang mani rok tamo samung tai tui nango. All living things need food and water. So to kathang mani rok no samung bai tui nango. Food helps living things. Tamin chaka food helps living things. Kasamung kathang mani rok no chuba unchau. Tamne bagai chuba to grow torna ni bagai and become strong. Tai phan khana ni bagai chuba haita do. We eat food and drink water. Jeng samung sawo tui bunango. Animals also eat. Mal mata rok ba ada sawo. We give water to the plants. Jeng bu phango tui ru. The plants use this water and the light. Buphang rok o tui tai light mane from the sun do. Light from the sun mane salni pohor. Buphang rok o salni pohor tui bai salni pohor no use khayu ni so samongo thepo tamni bagai to make food ada sanam nan bagai on their own. Borok sain chung ada sanam nan bagai jengrmani tui tai salni pohor no samongo thepo ni sata. Okay. Take a sitam saka living things breathe. Kathang mani rok hamana sawo. All living things including plants. Joto kathang mani rok buphang waphang no khoboi need air to stay alive. No bar no samung nang jago. To stay alive pinchau tamo to stay alive mane kathang tongmani bagi do. Alive hinge kathang, stay hinge tongmani. If they judin borok do not breathe hamana sayangke they will die. Die mane tamo thui mani. Judin borok hamana sayang tamo thanai borok thui nai. Okay? Okay, kathang mani rok tamung nai hama nasau. Hedana tabu sing te pol lenai. Te pol lenai. Living things move hunchau. Move mane tamo jagani kutul mani. Kathang mani rok tamo jagani kutulo. Humans and animals move from one place to another. Boro rok tai mal mata rok jotono kaise jagani te kaise jagao kutulo. Plants do not move from one place to another. Buphang rok ke kaise jagani te kaise jaga kutului maya kutulia hita. But they can move some parts. Piaba baksa boroni dehani part kutului manu. Jemon buduk rok kesengi thangkan ke kaise jagani te kaise jaga sogi riba aba hita. Okay? Tabu tamungnai kathang mani rok tamo move khayo hedana. Te kaise jeng por leinai living things grow. Kathang mani rok tamo grow khayo. Grow mane tamo tor mani ikonai dio. Chikon tong mani teruk tori pheka. Iko chikon tong mani teruk tori pheka hedana. Okay? O tor mani no grow huno. Living things tamo chikon theke kotorungo. Tabu seng nai nele animals also grow torpri. Humans grow in size. Boro rok teruk toru. Animals also grow in size. Malmata rok toru. Plants also grow big with time. Buphang rok bo joran logi tori phayo haita. Hedana okay? Toru. Okay? Kathang mane tamungnai bo chikoni kotorungnai. Living things reproduce hunchau. Mong katamo reproduce katamo basa air mani. All living things joto kathang mani rok no have young ones basa ero like themselves. Borok no kosol ke borok ni janja basa ero haita. Some animals lay eggs. Lay mane tamo tui mani. Lay mane tamo tui mani. Egg mane tok tui. Butui tui mani. Hedana. Okay? Baksa mal mata rok butui tui unchau. Young ones come out of the legs. Ne basa u butui ni theke nongkhori phayo haita. Te kaise page sung thangkan kunuk nai. Artam jaga humans bororong kok saka humans give birth to young ones. Bororong katamo basa asayo haita basa bauta do. Most plants grow from seeds. Tai kabangku buphang rok katamo busulai ni ero. Seed mane tamo busulai. Okay? Some animals give birth to young ones. Baksa animal baksa malmata rok bo borok haikena tamo basa asayo do. Birth 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 basa asayo. Okay? Okay? Kathang mane tamungnai bo reproduce khainai basa ernai hedana tabu te kaisa tamsaka living things feel kathang mani rok buchui mano borok kasang mani dukhu nang mani aborok sai mano haita all living things feel joto kathang mani rok no feel khlai mano we feel joy and sadness jeng tamo waisu waisu ko tong thok jago waisu waisu ko dukhu nang jago we feel pain when we are hurt jepuru jeng dukhu mano apuru jeng sajago haita na we feel cold in winters jeng kolama katam hanai kasama samay angke kasang jago and hot tai tungkhla jago in summers kolama jarok angke jeng tungkhla jago animals also feel mal matarok buchi mano borok bo feel khai mano if we harm them judin jeng borok no dukhu rakhanke dukhu man rakhe they get hurt borok bo bakhatong thogya jago they also feel cold in winters and hot in summers borok bo jeng haino kasama samay ke kasang jago te kolama samay angke kolam jago heda plants feel to unse bufang rok bo feel khayo do okay tabo ke jeng non living things por laine non living things ka tamne thik aboni ulta jeng puilau tam semanka living things rok ada chao hedana living things rok ada chao tuibo namo the non living things ka tamne do not need food and water borok chamung bonangya tuibo nangya they do not breathe borok hamo bona saya they cannot have babies borok besabo area non living things do not move from or grow on their own non living things tam borok to loria jagani tai borok tamane teruk to toria heda they also do not feel borok jeng hake tong thobi bomaya dukhu banang jage borok jeng hake tamane sebo sajagya haita chair fan books etc are some examples of non living things chair fan book boy ta heda na chair fan ab sing sai mangka amar ungkha kisa example tamo non living things ni inge buji khana living things tai non living things tabu ningni gana gini wo bo mane living things ya oji niyam porima bai sai mandi nai nai dita do okay bad baki jeng te kaise video wo porle nai